We have overcome our share of challenges. We have seen a lot of change. Now, as African American men and women, we have something else we need to come together and take care of: ourselves. No part of the American population is at greater risk for health issues than us, and we are passing on those issues to our children. You can see it right here in Arizona. Only 3% of the state's population is Black, yet we have the highest rate of poor birth outcomes. In fact, we have the highest rate of preventable infant deaths, and 59% of those deaths are linked to the mother's health before pregnancy. These are staggering facts, and they tell us one thing: we need to take care of ourselves now, before we have children, before we put another generation at risk. What we eat, how much we exercise, how much stress we're under, even how we approach our relationships, it all affects our health and the health of our children. We are passing down a greater risk for diabetes. We are passing down a greater risk for obesity. We are passing down a greater risk for heart disease. And think about this. In 2007, African Americans accounted for 49% of all new HIV/AIDS infections in America. If that continues, we will have very little to pass down. We can correct this. By becoming informed and by spreading the word within our community, we can take charge of our lives and create a movement for positive living. We have overcome so much over the years. It is time for us to make change happen once again.